always a lot of people perhaps didn't take us seriously because we were girls.
No, but especially in the sort of music that we're playing, sort of in the heavy rock thing, it's a very sort of male-orientated sort of music, and you often find that many sort of headbangers, they won't accept girls in a band. They like to see sort of men up there with all the posing
Muscles.
muscles,
We haven't got
hairy
muscles.
chests and things like that.
Yeah, we haven't got hairy chests.
And
Do you
so-
have?
silly girl.
Hairy armpit.